Hi, I'm Gigi and I'm an SFX makeup artist in South Carolina. I'm 16 years old and I'm also a haunt actor, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to use an airbrush. And this tutorial is for beginners. So let's start. I am using a ProAiir Airbrush gun and machine. It all came together, and I'll also be using ProAiir Airbrush paints. So before I get into how to paint with the brush, I'm going to be showing you the parts of it and what they do. So in this part, you will have some kind of cup for your paint, whatever kind of gun you have. This is the one I'm using. It's got a bigger holder for it, but that's where you'll put your paint. There is a needle inside that gets pulled back whenever you pull this trigger back like this, and that is what releases the paint. So if you turn this part on the end to your right, it tightens that needle so it will not go as far back. And if you do it to the left, it'll do the opposite and it'll release more paint. And same goes when you pull a trigger, you press it down so paint will come out, and the more you pull back, the more comes out. And pressure on the machine will also help determine how much comes out at a time. So if you're doing a large surface area and you want to get a bunch done real quick, you would turn the pressure up and probably turn this to the left a bit, and it'll release more paint. And it'll come out right here where the little needle is poking out. Right here is where you'll attach your hose. It is a little screw part, and then the hose attaches to the machine itself. My gun is a little dirty, but that's because I use it a lot. So now I'll show y'all how to actually paint with it. Just so that y'all can see it better, I'm going to be demonstrating how the paint will come out of the gun on index cards using black airbrush paint, and this is the one that I am using. It is the ProAiir Airbrush paint that came with the kit. Well, no, I bought this one separately. I already used up all the other ones. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of paint into here. So I've got the paint in my airbrush gun, and now I'm just going to turn the machine on. Now I am doing voiceover because you wouldn't be able to hear me, but this is just me testing it out on the index card, and now I'm loosening the needle in the gun so that I can show you that more paint will come out in a more spread out area. And then I'm tightening the needle, and you'll see that I've got it tight enough to where almost nothing comes out. And then with it as tight as it is, the trigger's not going to go back as far because it is holding the needle further in place. And now that I've loosened it, the trigger will go back way further. So quite a lot of paint comes out as shown here. So if you were doing this on the skin like I usually do, because it's body paint, you would want to release the trigger a certain way. So when you're pulling back or you're wanting the line to fade, like let's say you're trying to do a hollowed out cheekbone, you would do the darkest part up here and slowly fade down. And to do that, you would slowly let go of the trigger so that less paint is coming out. I hold the gun like a pencil, sort of, and then I put my finger over the trigger and pull. But I know some people use their thumb, so I guess it works however it works best for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful. I know I couldn't find very many videos about this when I was trying to learn how to use it, but there were some that were helpful, and I hope this can be one of those. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go watch my other videos if you're wanting to see more makeup content. And if you want a specific thing done, comment below and I'll try and see if I can work it into a video. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.